It was good, everybody. I wanted to start off with this channel, building upon the blocks of investing and just day trading, to be specific. And right now, we're on TradingView. This is where I really look at the charts, make my trades through here, and I'm really looking to journal kind of the journey of going through my Apex traded funding challenge. I have a 250K account, and I'm just really working to get my feet wet and then start to ramp up from there. So I just wanted to kind of just document the journey of like the trades I'm taking, and then really see my progress, where I can be better, and kind of dissect what's going on, and give you guys just a bird's eye view of kind of what I'm doing, and see um, if you guys have similar experiences or doing it differently, and we can keep the communications open, and maybe I can learn from you and you can learn from me. So with that being said, I really am focusing on MES. Um, I like it because it's the risk. I can really dial down my risk with multiple contracts, and it moves a lot slower than than NQ and MNQ. So I really want to focus on MES and kind of master this, and just slowly take my profits and just bang it out every day throughout the week. So with that being said, let's go to this training software I'm trying out. It's a free trial. I'm not an affiliate for this thing, or not an affiliate for Apex either. But what I'm seeing here is just to let you guys know, traderview.com. It's a free trial, and I'm just kind of trying out. I'm going to try a couple of different trading journals and see which one I like. This one has a pretty cool dashboard, because once you first get onto the website, you are seeing like your week's review. Um, it was a good trades, some good trades. This is something where I want to be in the realm of, was it's really 2% of my drawdown. That's kind of the strategy at first, just to kind of see if I can be consistent as a trader. So with the 250K account, my drawdown is $6,500. I really wanted to be at like a 1 to 2%, and I'm hitting a little over 2% on each one of these days. So from here, I can scale up just a little bit and just slowly ramp up and get the ball rolling. Um, let's see here. What can we find out? So I'm a 2 to 1 is where I'm at with my ratio at a 50%. And yeah, my largest gain was 210. My largest loss was 137. So I think that's good to see. And this is like for paid versions. I guess that's going to be scaled out. Let me click on one of this. Oh, that's cool. So it tells you the time you took the trade, how much you got from it. Click here. Oh, it gives you a note section. That's really awesome. Oh, it tells you where. Okay, on the 1 minute, this is where I took my trade. I was trading the five, so 75 minutes. Oh, that's cool. Nice clean chart to see where you took your trade. So you can go back exactly into TradingView and kind of go right where you took it, and kind of see what went right or what went wrong, so to speak. Nice. Okay. So we see that. 15 minutes. I was in and out, boy. I saw this candle and I was in. That's cool. We get different time frames with TradingView. That's a nice touch. What else? on there? Oh, so here, okay, you can really see. So I started trading on a Friday and lost it. I was in the red. And then, like a champ, came back the next week. And then I was on the road on Thursday, so I wasn't able to trade, which sucks. Because if you guys want to see what Thursday looked like, let's go to Thursday. Look at this. I mean, my goodness. Let me just mark off where my that was the day. Look at that. I mean, a drop, kind of retest and consolidated and dropped again. It gave me two nice drops. The Thursday, that would have been a nice day. So yeah, that's that. If you guys want to see, I wonder if you can click this. Open it. Oh, cool. Here we go. Oh, this is what's up. So when you click on that, it breaks it down by the day. So yeah, once I get close to my 1 to 2%, really 2%. Once I get to 2% of my drawdown, which is $6,500, I'm done. So I took 4 trades. Let's see what this day looks like. And I love it shows the time because you should not be trading during the times that I traded on this day and got ate up for it. So I took a pre-market trade, and you can make tags on these. These were all pre-market, and this was lunchtime, and of course, loss. And this was kind of like a scratch. So I got in. It moved up in my favor, and then I moved my stop loss up to break even or a little above it, and then it came back and got me out. So that's like a scratch. But I had no business in the markets at 8:15 and 8:30. No business trying to take a trade at lunchtime. So yeah, one of those days where you know you shouldn't be doing something, and then you look back and be like, why in the hell did I do that? Hmm. So yeah, I was down $101 on the very start of my journey in trading. It's like, okay, I got to get some give back. Sports. I like the setup. So you can see it from the week, and you can see it from the day, and you can see it from the month, which is really cool. So I lost it week. So this week, $101. Week 4, I made $653 in total, $152, and that's not including like commissions and stuff. So I'm a little lower than this, but still, all in all, pretty cool. What else do they have here? So reports, kind of reports do they have? Gross daily, volume, win percentage. A lot of people worry about win percentage, but if your risk and reward isn't where it needs to be, you can have a high win rate and still be broke, bro. Like real talk. You can have like a 60, 70, 80, 90% rate, and your risk reward is whack, you can be in the red, bro, which is surprising. Something I just learned recently. It's crazy. Let's go to details. Okay, this is going to break down some stuff. But my total gains, average daily gain was 110. Average winning trade is $136. Average losing is 66. That's what you really want to see. When it's looking like that, that's pretty cool. Because I'm a 50% trader, and my risk to reward is high, so we're good. Oh, it looks at number of scratch trades. So yeah, if you break even or just a little bit above it, it's going to count that as a scratch. Nice. Okay. It's pretty cool. I recognize that. hold time, 7. Average win trading is 10 minutes. Average hold time in my losing trade is 9. So I'm pretty much 10 minutes in the game. Profit factor. What is profit factor? I think that's something significant to look at. The formula for profit factor is profit factor equals total gross profit divided by total gross loss. You can also calculate profit factor for each trade by dividing the profit or loss of that trade by the maximum possible loss of the trade. This is called the risk-reward ratio. Is it realistic to have a profit factor higher than 2 long term? So I guess anything over 2 is pretty good. Oh, here we go. This is going to bring it down. So that's the video. Okay. Let's try to find it. Okay. Factor. The profit factor is defined as the gross profit divided by gross loss. Okay, we read that. Including commissions for the entire trading period. As an example, the strategy performance report shown in Figure 1 indicates that tested trading systems have a profit factor of a 1.98. This is calculated by dividing the gross profit by gross loss. This is a reasonable profit factor and signifies that this particular system produces a profit. We all know that not every trade will be a winner and that we will have sustained losses. Profit factor metric helps traders analyze the degree to which wins are greater than losses. Okay. The above equation shows the same gross profit as the first equation. Substitute the hypothetical value for the gross loss. In this case, the gross loss is greater than the gross profit. We put the profit factor that is less than 1. This would be a losing system. So anything less than 1 would be a losing system. Anything over 1 would be a winning system. You want to be over 1 in your profit factor. And for me, as we stand, we're 2.38. And that's why the guy was saying on, where was that? Was that Reddit? That's why he was asking, is it realistic to have a profit factor higher than 2? Because anything over 1 is profitable. And it seems like 2, you're like really, really profitable. Okay, awesome. All right, so we got that. Performance by day of week. That's pretty cool. Performance by hour of day. Okay, so this is really crazy, bro. This is making me really look at things like, all right, because look at my red. My red is at 8 o'clock. That's pre-market. What the fuck are you doing trading during this time? And then losing in 11 and 12. So it's almost like the sweet spot is from 9 to 11. And then you may get some love. Well, I got some love on at 4 after lunch. So 9 to 11 and then after lunch. Hopefully you get what you need to get before then. But can you imagine a day where you just, from 9 to 11, that's your work day? It's crazy, bro. Your work day is done within 2 hours. And then you go and do whatever the hell you need to do or want to do. That's pretty cool. This aggregates the average P&L for trades matching the current booking. Yeah, this is a pretty cool journal. So yeah, so this is what I'll start to do. really just for me to really get a good picture, like performance by hour of day. I don't need to see any kind of trades at 8 o'clock. I don't need to be in trades at lunchtime. So this is just going to reinforce uh, rules that I already have for myself, and you can say like, why are you breaking those rules? So I'll be definitely taking a look and making sure that I clean that up. Um, but yeah, I think it's going to be cool. Yeah, if you have questions, put them in the comments. Thank you for taking a look at this video, and we'll see you next time.